welcome back to Madness Adventures. Okay, this is part 3. We're still working on prepping the trailer for the cabin on wheels. Thank you for following along this far. We're getting to the point now where the next step, this is the last day of prepping the trailer. I'll show you in just a second what we've been up to. And then guess what? Guess what? It's going to be time to start building the walls. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. But anyway, I'm so grateful to have you all here. Thank you for subscribing, and let's get on with it. Looking good. Filling in the cracks. Okay.
Glue it down.
Oh, right. And then this is where the insulation's going to go.
Yep.
And then on top of that will be the decking. Okay. Still prepping to build the cabin. So this step, by the way, welcome back to part 3 of basically getting the trailer ready to build a cabin on it. This is the subfloor to the subfloor, right? So he'll be putting the insulation in between, and then he will be able to put some more decking down and then start building the walls, people. Once we get the walls up and the outside on it, we'll be able to start working on the inside. So the front part, the plan is it's going to be the kitchen. Yep, the kitchen. The door's got to be on that side over there, right?
I thought it was on the right.
So yes. So the door will be about right there. The kitchen will be like this. And we're going to have windows here, here, and here on the outside. And then we're gonna have just a shower right there. By the tire, it's gonna be kind of like one of those stall showers because the door is gonna be there. And then this will be the bedroom / living room. We're gonna try to do a lift bed where the bed will be at the ceiling. We're gonna do it, he said. We're doing the lift bed. And
Daddy don't play.
no, Johnny will get it done. So basically, this will be the whole living room, bedroom area. So we kind of found a cool little L-shaped, we'd have to measure it, but it's kind of like an L-shaped outdoor, because they make outdoor furniture a little different than indoor. It's really cool looking, little couch type thing, a settee. This side will be the entertainment wall, and then the couch would go like this, and then above it will be the bed, and then the bed will come down. So it's going to be a small cabin on wheels. We're going to do a mini split, right? For air?
I'd like to.
Me too. But they also make a new RV air conditioner and heater all in one for the roof. So we haven't decided yet. When it comes to that part, we're going to, I don't know, we're just going to weigh it out. But I'll keep you guys updated. I thought you were trying to achieve this, which is what? ½ inch? Okay.
So, this thing has great power
Yeah.
for $300.
Skill saw.
It's just really funky, this fence. I don't understand it. Because you're supposed to, maybe it's, if you're going to cut 25 inches, maybe you don't need to be close to the fence because it stops at 4 inches.
Okay. Guess you'll find out if you ever need to cut 25 inches. Hi, Max. You flipped over the cushions so they wouldn't get all dirty from your boards. Look at this. So we got the framing down, the insulation's in. Now he's putting the subfloor down.
Yeah, man.
Looking good. Looking awesome.
Of course, this isn't the squares.
Well, you know. We'll only notice it's not square when it comes time to building the walls, right?
No.
No? I mean, I know you're squaring it up the best you can, right? Say hi.
Square. Hi.
How long you been working on this?
Just this and the frame.
10 days?
Yeah, at least 10 days.
10 days. So it's not something you rush and do, especially when you're a perfectionist like him, which he is. Just take your time. Do it right.
Take your time, man.
Uh-huh. Yeah, so this is where we're at. And then after this comes, we got to find, what, 3-4 good days to build the walls. We're trying to, like, we can't put it inside. So we have to work around the weather. And it rained this morning.
Yeah.
But we did buy tarps. We covered it from the rain, and
still got
a little wet, not bad. And unfortunately, I mean, we can't do this indoors. I'm not buying a portable carport either. We looked at it, and I said no. No. He said no, I said no. But we did look into it.
Yeah. Doesn't hurt to look. Oh, I'm not getting that.
I'll get it. I'll get it for you, baby. Oh, look it. There you go. Oh, almost got it. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, but you can still get it.
I will get it. I'm filming. Remember, I'm the film crew.
No. Film crews work.
People always say, is he wearing his good clothes? And I'm like, yeah, pretty much. But he's not painting or anything. Or welding. I don't know. What's the 2 dots?
What dots?
On your shirt?
I don't know. Sweat.
How'd your pants get so dirty?
Doing that.
Oh, your hands? Okay.
I think I'm losing a little weight, though.
That's why you wanted to do this, right?
Yeah.
All right. So this is where we're at. And then we're going to be addressing this eventually. We got a whole new electric. So we're getting rid of that. We'll get new chains. We're going to grind some of this down, repaint it, make it look good. But right now, he just really wants to...
I have to go weigh it.
We have to go weigh it so we can get a license plate.
Yeah.
So he wants to get all this on.
Like 1,500 pounds.
Do you think so?
That's my guess.
I wouldn't think so. I don't know. It might be.
Okay, I'm selling.
All right, guys. That's it for today. Just keep following us for progress on this DIY cabin on
And
wheels.
we'll take a guess on what the weight is after I get these boards in.
Okay.
1,500.
You think 1,500 pounds?
Yeah.
All right. Leave your guess in the comment section. I'll give you a good look. New tires, trailer, 2 layers of deck board, and insulation.
There you go.
All right.
R10, baby.
All right. Bye, guys.